Russian and Ukrainian soldiers are still fighting on the front line, but their leaders are now talking with each other first time since the Istanbul talks. Now Russia, Ukraine and US are having trilateral talks in Abu Dhabi. But still, there are two sticking points in which neither Ukraine nor Russia are making any compromise. First is status of Donbas. Donbas is the area in eastern part of Ukraine. Donbas is predominantly Russian speaking, and Donbas is the place where everything started in 2014, a civil war in Ukraine that became a full-scale war between Russia and Ukraine. Now the problem with Donbas is related to control. In the fourth year of war, Ukraine still control around 20% of Donbas. Russia want Ukraine to relinquish its claim from Donbas and withdraw its all forces in order to end the war. Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky don't want to even entertain the idea of withdrawing from Donbas. First of all, Donbas is a heavily fortified area of Ukraine's defense. Secondly, if Vladimir Zelensky gonna withdraw from Donbas, it will be the end of his political career and his own life. The far-right factions in Ukraine never gonna tolerate Ukraine giving up land to Russia. However, there is still a chance for compromise. US proposed two options for Donbass. First is to create a free economic zone in the conflicted area or make it a demilitarized zone. Ukraine also proposed to Russia that if Russia wants Ukraine to withdraw from Donbass, then Ukraine also wants Russia to withdraw from the Donbass. However, Russia, who is winning on the battlefields, is unlikely to accept any of these claims.